Hi guys, today we have a Kawasaki Ninja 1000 in for dismantle. This one is a 2014. It actually presents really well. It has had a minor drop on the left hand side. We've got a little bit of a bent lever here and a couple of marks just on the side of the casing, but no other damage anywhere that we can see at all or have noticed. It drives and starts and runs beautifully for the age. All the forks, wheels and everything's straight. It does click through all the gears beautifully. Tank and everything's all good. It's all very standard. So we've got all our standard pipes on here. You can see all the way around. Even the indicators, none of the indicators are damaged or anything like that. We'll jump up here. Start it up. So this one's got 51,893 kilometers on it. As you can see, a bit of a glare. And we'll give her a start. Starts beautifully first pop. Adjustable shock on the back. Standard pipes as well, nice and quiet, but still with a bit of a nice note to it. Hear that motor. All the front end's beautiful. Forks, as I said, and wheels are all straight and do spin nicely. Just a little bit of a scrape here. Bend lever. Beautiful. Quite a nice bike for its age, 2014. This one will be fully dismantled this coming week and all parts will be available on our website, bikesparesaustralia.com, in the link below. Thank you.